Congratulations to my almighty Omoyele Sowore. Thank you, sir, for what you have done for Nigeria. Revolution now. If una still believe say Sowore na 419, now this one I go know say no be 419 e be. People when see they believe say Omoyele Sowore na 419 for Nigeria. Now this one will make una say no say Sowore no be 419. Sowore na great man. If you know, you know. You know, you don't know, you don't know. You see, the Nigeria government not get any tite land. They don't see one tite land. They don't see one evidence they all Sowore. Shame on Nigeria government. You know if it stop the idea which time has come. Now the truth be that one. Now no we feel the key truth every day by day for the country. And I don't kill every truthful person finish for that country. When I see they try to kill again. When I no want apologize to the innocent one I don't kill for that country. Now train station I did so. I did train station. I say me I tell you now where I did. We not get all these kind of things for Nigeria. We know they get some. Now only to kill. Any good man come out for the country, they go kill him. Any good woman come out for the country, Nigeria government go kill him. They not get any future for us. They not get any future for the old women. They not get any future for the old men. They not even get any future for the young people. Now to just kill everybody. All of now they enjoy it. Congratulations to my able hero, the almighty Omoyele Sowore. You are a great man. You are really trying. Revolution now. Nobody can stop the idea which time has come. Nigeria government, you know if you kill everybody finish. You cannot kill everybody for the country. See on a road be this. You not get GROA here. You not get where poor men they stay. You not get where rich men they stay. Everybody they stay everywhere when anybody decide to stay. Now that one be country. You not get Lekki. You not get Banana Island. You not get anywhere when they call Lekki or phase 1, phase 2 for Europe. Everywhere na Lekki, everywhere na poor place, everywhere na rich place. Do you understand? See na sea road. Sea road. This one I just common area. Now area be this one. Train station. I did train station. My train never come. I want to enter train. I dey wait for my train. Nigeria government wake up. Stop the killing. Nigeria government stop the killing. The wall of una don belleful, una don tire. Make una let us, the young people, still rule for that country. E don't do. Stop the killing, Nigeria government. Stop the killing of the innocent ones. Una just dey try by all means. Una just be ready to just waste Omoyele Sowore just for nothing because he tell una the truth. Una want just waste time just for nothing before. But the ancestors not green for now. You see, now train station be this. This will not be airport to train station. Let me do so. Nigeria government. Wanna go they apologize to the innocent ones wanna do key. Apologize to Omoyele Sowore. You feel not still take with they talk because my father not be minister. My father not the government, my mother not the government. You feel not take with they talk. But the truth of the matter, apologize to innocent people who wanna do kill for that country. Apologize to Nigeria. Buhari, it is time for you to correct your wrong to right now. It is time. Change your way. Nigeria police change your way. No dey do like zombie. All of us dey suffer for that country. Nigeria police, change your way. Nigeria soldier, change your way. The rest country, for civilized country, they respect police and soldiers. Nigeria, oh, now to just kill and now know. They kill for South Africa. You see where South Africa police kill their people. But when they kill for when Nigeria people they do their own, a quick Nigeria police kill Nigeria citizen. Wanna change una way. Who see they believe say Sowore na 419 una eye don see am now. To tell una say Sowore na clean man. They not see one thing, one evidence. Say who Omoyele Sowore. Nothing. They not see. The man too clean. What will be. If he will be the president of Nigeria, he will be the president of Nigeria. One day. But Nigeria, open your eye. All these ancestors when we get for power, not they take us to go anywhere. All these people when you're the power, they be ancestors to us. May they go rest. May they go rest. If you need light, Buhari can never give you light in that country. Buhari cannot give you light. You need vibrant brain. Buhari they go. Buhari know wetin they go on for go. Buhari know wetin they go on for the rest developed country. If they tell now train station, see train station, not be airport, so train station, common train station. Go see my states, erosion don't carry and finish. Nigeria, wake up from your sleep. You don't see say Sowore na great man. Wake up. May we support that man. Now let that man fit change Nigeria. We know if he get person like Sowore, you can't tell me I go to support Buhari. I can never support that man. Because that man, in our ancestors to us. In you're supposed to sit down now. We will go to take advice from her. None be go they rule me. He don't tire. He don't tire. He don't tire. Nigeria youths, wake up. Not more than they protest for Bobrisky matter. Bobrisky not be our problem of Nigeria. The people when they kill us now, our politicians, come out and protest against bad leaders. Not for Bobrisky. Eh? See now, see road, see light. If you come here for night, everywhere they shine. They only see light to abroad. They only see light here. Nigeria will not get light. If we dey talk, una go say we when dey that side, and we come. Una dey wait me I come protest for you when dey Nigeria. We dey pity you now. We don't see good life. That's why we dey tell una. We don't see good life. That's why we dey tell una. Nigeria police, youth. Una make una see stop the killing. Make una stop killing. Killing the innocent citizen is bad. All of us they suffer for that country. You not get right to kill any citizen. Except maybe if he carry gun, he want shoot you. You feel defend yourself. Not to just bring gun come out. If they protest, you just kill. Do not use man they talk. See, in a train station be this. Wait, me I carry on and go inside the train station. You wanna see train station as train station, fine. Not be airport, train station. Where they wait for train. They remain 20 minutes, make my train come. See train station. You see how? Now board. Train station. For Nigeria now money you take enter this kind of place. Everything now poor me area, big me area. See on a train station with this so. They not desegregate. Anybody can enter anywhere. But Harry, change your way. Change your way. We need peace for Nigeria. Stop the killing. Correct your mistake. Now, it is time for you to correct yourself. You see, you not see anything tell the Almighty Omoyele Sowore. Nothing. See train station. Now, don't see one thing tell now. We dey tell now. I don't fit kill everybody once. And train station I did so. So this one at train station, you see train. Now everywhere, train station. Now I did so. So they make their citizens they okay. Even the white people when give una police, the way when the police they kill citizens for Nigeria, they don't they kill their citizens here like that. They don't even they kill their citizens. They arrest their citizens if they misbehave. They know they shoot aside. Yeah? Everybody they suffer for that country. But now they kill people because they give them a uniform. Yeah? No change in a way. Nigeria government. See the things when we talk. See bridge. You see over a bridge. Through they pass under. Car they follow up. Now train station and this so train station. If we they tell now they think say with a joke. See now this will not be farm on our train station. Now I did Treviso for Italy. I did Treviso. All those see our train station back and front everywhere na train station are different binaro. I think this one a binaro waiting. Binaro 3 and binaro 3. Although na binaro 1 my train will follow come. But I will change your way. Change your way. Omoyele Sowore. Now great man. If you never see believe say Omoyele Sowore na great man. Today now you supposed to believe say Sowore na great man. You supposed to believe now say Sowore na great man be. So that's what it just be. So thank you very much. I want to go offline. I also may I show una things to tell una say wetin we dey miss for Nigeria. If we get all this train, armed robber no fit go the block road because armed robber no fit go block train. He won't die. Armed robber no fit go enter front of train and he go say in a Fulani me. Train go grand and pass now. If we get all this one, armed robber will seize for Nigeria. Give people work. Give us lights. Only, just give Nigeria lights. Now we dey cry, but give Nigeria lights. 24-hour electricity. Give us lights. We not say we not go pay for the light. We go dey pay, but give us light. We want use lights. Give us good education. Give us good education. You not fit go school for Nigeria. If you not get money, you not fit go school. Eh? I agree to now. Thank you very much. All right. Great Omoyele Sowore. Take it back. Action. Take it back. Revolution now. I believe in Omoyele Sowore. Even though you they call her 419, give us proof. They not see one proof bring. Give us proof. Nobody get proof to bring. They will not sit down for his house. They shout, Sowore that 419, Sowore that 419. Give us proof. For una to the happy say, una see picking like that. I beg you. All right, so bye-bye.